So this is always a difficult spot right here where the armrest is, and I mean it's really black in here, pretty black coming up through this area, just dirty, grimy. But let's try to get some of this stuff gone here too. I know this Meguiar's is pretty decent stuff. It seems to be cutting right through the grime, and it's working. Get a little bit of elbow grease in there. Well, it's not perfect yet, but it's getting there. A couple more times and some elbow grease. I think I'll have that one looking pretty good also. So that turned out pretty decent. Not 100%. There's just a lot of little crevices and tough to get into all those little nooks and crannies. But all in all, I'm very happy with how this door turned out for how black it was. And then I went ahead and finished up inside here. I've got the steering wheel looking pretty good. That was another video that I had done. And then I went ahead and just scrubbed everything else really well. This is an 05 F-150. I just picked it up 2 days ago and it was a mess. So I spent some time cleaning it up. And this here, if you've got a smell in your vehicle, they have this at Runnings. Runnings is a local place that I have. This rodent repellent smells like kind of like a pine smell almost. But this really does the trick in taking out the bad smell. So I open up a couple of these and just let them permeate for several days. Drive around with the windows open a little bit, and that seems to work really well. But yeah, all in all, I'm very happy with how it cleaned up here. There will be some other videos coming along with this. I've got some other things I want to do to it. It has no bed liner. I'd like to spray a bed liner in and just some other things. But thanks for watching.